Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, one of our customers asking for the question, do you have any software with one-time cost? So I want to answer this as we provide online software service and online software is will not come in a one-time cost because we need to pay the yearly maintenance charges according to the your account usage. So we provide company configuration, product scheme configuration, print format configuration. All these services we will provide online. We will provide our support for whatever queries and issues. We will support through the WhatsApp and email and then email format design, end-to-end configuration, all this service, training for the super user, admin, office staff, collection staff, all this we provide to the our customer. So this is not an offline software that it requires the network, and with the online software you can increase your business as we have the multiple third party services as well. So with using that third party services, you can increase and enhance your business, which you will not be able to increase in offline software. Like this, I want to show you in a service catalog. So in a service catalog, we have the multiple software third party services that I will show you. So let's go to the help and FAQ and service catalog. So here you can see service catalog. We have the company branding, website integration. We can create your website. Then SMS integration, self onboarding. Then banking NACH service. Customer can pay online using NACH service. Auto disbursement. You can disburse the loan auto mode. Payment gateway service. So we have the multiple third party services which will be available online only. And that's why we are charging yearly subscription and one time cost which you need to that is you need to pay, that is mandatory. So thank you friends for watching this video and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.